Hello, friends. Today's letter is A. A is for apple. Can you say A? Very good, Leo, Mia, and Snowy. Our letter today is B. B is for ball. Look, it's round and bouncy. Can you say B? C is for cat, just like you three. C makes a K sound. Can you say C with me? D is for drum. Boom, boom. Can you tap your desk like a drum? D, drum. E is for egg, smooth and round. Let's say it together. E, egg. F is for fish, swim, swim. Say it with me. F, fish. G is for globe. It's our whole world in a ball. Say it. G, globe. H is for heart. It means love. Can you say H? Good job. I is for ice cream. Yum, yum. Let's say it. I, ice cream. J is for jump. Stand up and jump. Say it. J, jump. K is for kite. Fly high in the sky. Say it. K, kite. L is for lamp. It makes light. Say it. L, lamp. M is for monkey. That's me. Say it. M, monkey. N is for nest, where birds rest. Say it. N, nest. O is for orange, round and juicy. Say it. O, orange. P is for pencil. We write with it. Say it. P, pencil. Q is for queen, a royal lady. Say it. Q, queen. R is for rose, a pretty flower. Say it. R, rose. S is for snake. S. Say it. S, snake. T is for train. Choo, choo, choo. Say it. T, train. U is for umbrella. It keeps us dry in the rain. Say it. U, umbrella. V is for violin. Play music. Say it. V, violin. W is for water. We drink it every day. Say it. W, water. X is for X-ray. It shows our bones. Say it. X, X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. It goes up and down. Say it. Y, yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Stripes black and white. Say it. Z, zebra.